Dear students, this is your teacher Syed Fakhri and we are doing application of maths. The topic name is written here, application of maths and practical situation, question 5a, question 1 5a. Now, we discussed when we started the topic that cost price plus profit is equals to the selling price, right? This was it. This was one statement. So you can see that cost price and selling price is here. So if selling price is 45 and cost price is 40 and profit is there, this is equation. We'll take it to the other side. So we know that profit is going to become 5. What would be the profit percent or loss percent? Since it is profit, we know that profit percent or gain percent was gain percent is equals to gain upon cost price multiplied by 100. So we are going to do that. We're going to take it like 5 upon cost price is 40 multiplied by 100. Now you simplify this and you will get the answer. So this is simple. Now moving ahead, you're going to fill this in 350 upon 4 or 12.5%. So 12.5% is the profit percentage. Similarly, here you can see that it is cost price is greater than selling price. So it means that loss was always cost price minus selling price, right? This was it. So losses of 120. Similarly, you're going to do that here. That 120 is the loss percentage you're going to calculate. This is loss percentages on the cost price. Cost price was 600 multiplied by 100. So two zeros are cancelled and 620 is it's a 20% loss. So we're going to say that 20% and this is 120. This is very obvious. I hope you can very well understand. Now this part C could be done in many ways, but see this thing here we have got cost price and selling price and the profit percentage. So first we are going to just simply see that right now we did it here, that gain percent upon cost price is equals to this. We can do it in many forms. So you can say that if profit is of 4%, so you can say that 100% is 88,000, right? This is simple. And when you add something 4%, so it will become of course 104%. So you do not know what is 104%. Again, we are going to go to do the cross multiplication. So equation would become something like this: 88,000 multiplied by 104 upon 100. And you can very well see that you are going to cancel it here. These two zeros are cancelled with these two zeros. 880 multiplied by this 104. So let's do it in the calculator. 880 multiplied by 104. So you're going to know that actually what is the selling price. 91520, 91,520. 91,520. This is your selling price. So 91,520. And then of course profit and loss, you're going to subtract this from this. So 91,000 minus 88,000. So you just simply subtract it. Subtract minus 88,000. So you're going to get 3520. 3520. So 3520. All right, this is simple. Again, the same thing. You can do it yourself. Again, you can do it yourself. That 22%, 22.5% loss means what? Means that there is 72.5% is it is being sold on at this. So if cost price 100% was 5680 and out of that the loss was 22.5, means 100 minus 22.5. So that means that how much was remaining? 77.5 was remaining. So 77.5 was, what was the selling price? It was sold at 77.5, right? So 77.5 we have to calculate. This is it, 77.5. So you are simply going to repeat the same method, that 100% was this. Okay, I just, for the ease sake of ease, I just remove this part. Okay, this is for understanding, and we are going to follow the same thing. Okay, we'll multiply it like this. So x is equals to 77.5 multiplied by 5680 over 100. So you are going to know the selling price. So 77.5 multiplied by 5680, 5680, and divided by 100. So 4402, 4400 into it was sold for. 4,402 it was sold for. Okay, it was sold for. And now you definitely are going to calculate it, you'll subtract it, you're going to know the loss. Coming to the next question. Now look at it, that something has been given here, that 1700. So if you sell something like this, suppose it was a profit of 17.25, means it became 117.25 from 100%. Okay, so we know 117.25 is 28.14. Okay, so that was something, an unknown amount, that was 100%, in which a profit of 17.25 was added, that led it up to 28.14. So this is how you are going to do it. Again, you cross multiply it, so it becomes x is equals to 2800. I just take this a step, and then 117.25. Now you simplify this, you're going to get the amount. Let's do it. 28.14, 28.14 multiplied by 100 divided by 117.25. So the price was 24. Okay, this was the price. 24 was the price. You're going to simplify this part, you're going to get 25. So 25 was this. Now you just simply subtract it, you're going to get around 3.14. This is your profit. Again, then a loss, this is something, the selling price, and it is at a loss of 7%. So you can definitely say that this part is E. Okay, this part is D, this is C. Now see F part. This one, it is saying that 93% is 506. You know, when it is loss, when it is a loss, so I just don't round it up, it will create problem. 506.85, when this is a loss, so how much would be 100%? So you just calculate it, cross multiply, you'll get the answer. Hope it's easy. Stop here, and then we move ahead.